Hi little builders, I'm back with more packet openings, and today's packets come from one of Cooper's favourite teachers, Miss Jacinta. Thank you so much, Miss Jacinta, for giving us all these packs to open. We love you, and let's get to it. Now, I'm doing this video in rapid fire style today, which means that if we already have these pieces, I will not be assembling them. So let's go. The first one is a lemon tree, and guess what? We've got a lemon tree, so we'll keep going. The next one is, oh, it's vegetables, and we've already got the vegetables, so keep going. Next one will be the cat, and we've already got the cat. Keep going. This one feels big. I reckon it's going to be the bin, the outside bin. And it is the outside bin. This one's pretty thin, so I'm not sure what it will be, but we'll check. And it is, oh, it's a dog. We got 2 dogs in the last video. It was so exciting. Next, this feels like the kettle, I think. And it is, oh no, it's solar panels, and we've already got those, so we'll keep moving. Here we go. It's gonna be sun, and we've got sun. Keep going. Next one, I want fences. I need lots of fences for our home, and it's gonna be, oh, we got solar panels again. Next one, what's it gonna be? It is, it's daughter. Next one is, it's dad. Oh, we're getting a lot of people today. Next one, and it is a palm tree. Next one, yay, fences, woo! Oh, as I was just saying, we need a lot of fences for our home, and that's going to be so fun. And I don't care if there are lots of double ups with fences, because we need lots of fences. All right, let's go for gold, people. What's in here? It is Hygiene Duo. Keep going. Oh, I don't know what this one feels like. What is it? It is, it's an outside bin again. Got lots of bins happening. Next. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's baby. We've got baby. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, upside down. And it is bread. We've got bread. Next. It is oats. So we've got the oats. It is pet food, and we've got pet food. The next one is lemon tree, and we've got the lemon tree. This one's got a few pieces to it. It is lemon tree again. Wow, that's a few lemon trees in a row. Next. It is, yay, more fences. Ooh, fences. We need a lot of fences. Ooh. All right. All right, next. This is a garden table, and we've got that one. Next. Baby. We've got baby. Next. Frozen veggies. We've got frozen veggies. It's a double up. Let's hope this isn't a double up. And it is a kettle. And actually, we just got a kettle for the first time on the last video. So now we've got 2 kettles. Double up. I'm going to keep going, and thank you again, Miss Cinta, Mr. Cinta, for these beautiful packs. We love you. All right, what's this one going to be? Breakfast bowl, got it. Double up. Next, it is coffee maker, and guess what? We've got that too. Next, it is, oh, it's another doggy. Ah, I love the dog. Woof, his name's Woofer. Woof, woof. Woof, woof, he's so cute. He can sit with the fence. Next is oats, and we've got the oats. Oh, this one feels unusual. What is this one? It is, oh no, baby, we got baby. This one is sun. We got sun. And this one is grandma. We got grandma. Got a few more from Miss Cinta. What's in this one? Oh, it's the sun. We have sun. Next, it is plants. We do have plants. Next one is, whoop, it's, oh, where did the, oh, here it is. It's daughter. We've got daughter. This one is baby. We've got baby. This one is sun again. We've got sun. And this one is dad. Yay, we've got dad. I've got more packets here, but I'm not going to open them in this video. I'll open them in the next one. So what I want you to do, what I need you to do is press the like button for this video. Press subscribe so you subscribe to this gorgeous channel. And hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out when I put out a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.